guys, it's Jackie, and today we're gonna be busting into all that new haul that I just got. If you didn't see the haul, it was yesterday's video. I'll link that below. Yeah, you get to see the good stuff I got, and now I get to play with it. So yeah, I'm gonna be starting a couple of series with the things that I got. So yeah, if you want to know what today's is, stay tuned. So I think I decided I'm going to start a series, and in my series I will have the After collection. That'll be one series, and then another series will be the Cult collection. That will be my other series. And then we'll just do these in between. So for today, I'm gonna start, I think I want to start my series with the Cult. No. I think I want to start my series with the After. So we'll just sit the rest of these in this box, and we'll play with you later, I promise. So in this series, I'm going to do 2 different looks with each palette. And I will do 2 looks with the After Dark, 2 After Hours, 2 After Shock, 2 After Charge, 2 After Glow, 2 After Party. And that will be my After series. And then we'll go on to the Cult series and do the same thing. So in between those, I will use the others that are not in a certain collection to do looks. So today I'm going to start with the After Dark series. And we're going to see what we can do with this. I'm gonna make a little look, and I'm going to use the Bad Habit primer to prime my eyes. I should have wet my blender, and I didn't. This seems very smooth though. That primer goes on smooth. It's not like thick, you know? Now some primers are like really thick. Nope, that one's nice and smooth. So I like that, I like that. Wet sponges. How's that? I don't see any creasing, but we're gonna set that down using, we're gonna use the Swipe Right in the After Dark palette just to set down, wow, just to set down the concealer. Goes a long way. Forgot to grab paper towel that I can. Had a strange weekend, so I just not on top of everything at the moment. Okay, so now I'm going to use this skin to skin in the crease. We're going to crease it up, and I'm going to use the same brush I did to swipe that all over. So skin to skin. Whoa, pigmented. Yeah. I like that payoff. Sorry if you can hear my washer. Gotta get some stuff done around here. Spent the weekend looking for cars, so didn't get too much done around here. Okay, so there's that. Now I want to go into I'm going to go into the slip dress on the outer corner. Grab a different brush. There it is. So I said slip dress. Go that outer corner. Wow, this is super pigmented. Crazy pigments right there. Wow, you see that? That's crazy. Man, I just brushed it like one swipe in there. It's like, so you gotta be a little softer in these shadows because they are pigmented. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking I want to go on the lid with the rosy glow right there, that peachy color. We're gonna go right on the lid. These colors are amazing. Like, seriously, one swipe and it's like, there I am. Here it is. I don't know why everybody's sleeping on Bad Habit, man. These are amazing shadows. So on a small little pencil brush, I'm going to go to Arousal. I'm going to deepen up this corner. I think I really want to keep this look a matte look. I want to use the 24 karat in the middle. Like, I want to use this, but I think I want to use it in the second look I use. I'm doing 2 looks with each palette, so I think I want this to be just a matte look, and then that will make its appearance in the next look that I create with this. Definitely gonna want to do your eyes first though. Definitely. So I think I'm just going to take my pinky finger, grab a little swipe right Just dab it right there in the middle to give it a little light. I think it's interesting. It's different. Different. What is this? For the bottom, I'm going to eyeliner. Okay, so now I'm going to pop on lashes, finish this hot mess of a face, and I will show you the final look. Yay! So this is the look I got with the After Dark palette by Bad Habit. This is just one look. As I said before, doing 2 looks with each palette, so have to stay tuned for the second look. Let's see what I do with that 24 karat. But yeah, this is just a simple matte, just basic eyeshadow look. I don't know why things are not working today the way they have been. My coloring looks off for some reason today. I don't know what's going on. Something strange, something strange, something strange. But anyway, so yeah, that's the eye look. I am impressed with this palette. The colors, they're there. Like, you don't have to build it up and build it up and build it up. Like, you put it on and it's like, oh, there it is. So, I love that. And they blend so nicely that you can blend it down to the softness you want it to be. I am really impressed. So yeah, well, I hope you like this video. If you do, hit the like button. Don't you forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to become part of the hashtag notification nation and be alerted as soon as my videos go up, which is every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, 10 a.m. I was going to change the time, but why bother now? It's been 10 a.m. this whole time. Might as well just leave it at 10 a.m. this whole time. So yeah, that's today's video. I hope you will tune in to see what other videos I have in store. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye.